Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you guys the Melting Pout Matte Liquid Lipsticks by COVERGIRL. These are a new release that were launched, if I'm correct, last month or late February. Well, COVERGIRL launched this collection that includes 12 matte liquid lipsticks. They're available now in stores and online such as Ulta, Target, Walmart, and Amazon. Price can range from $6.50 to maybe $7.99 depending where you buy them. I personally like to purchase my drugstore makeup at Ulta because I get points and most of the times they do have sales. So the packaging of the lipsticks is a plastic tube and the applicator is a doe foot applicator. COVERGIRL claims these are infused with nourishing ingredients and that they glide on easy for a smooth finish. I would say that I do agree with them in the case that they do apply easily and they do give you a smooth finish. These are very comfortable on the lips and they are very creamy. These are not dry at all, and in my experience, once the lipstick dried, I barely felt anything, or I even forgot that I was wearing anything. This is my first time trying any drugstore liquid lipstick and I'm very impressed. I didn't experience any crackings once it dried. These do dry to a complete matte finish, but I would recommend exfoliating your lips before wearing them, just like you would before you apply any liquid lipstick. So let me know what you guys think about these lipsticks. Have you guys tried them or are you guys interested? And I hope you guys find this video helpful, and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.